feeling like a tightly wound spring ready to snap. I'm Elliot Hulse, and I'm here to teach you a powerful tool called progressive muscle relaxation, a technique to systematically release that pent-up tension. We're going to break it down step by step, so you can start feeling calmer and more relaxed right now. This exercise is most effective when you are lying down and in a comfortable, quiet area. Let's start with your hands. Make a tight fist with both hands. Clench them as hard as you can. Really feel the tension building in your hands and forearms. Hold this for about 10 seconds. Feel that tightness. Really focus on it. Now, slowly release your fists. Let your fingers unfurl, and notice the feeling of relaxation washing over your hands. Pay attention to the contrast between the tension you just created and the release you're feeling now. Spend about 20 seconds enjoying this release. Next, let's move to your shoulders. Shrug them up towards your ears, as high as you can. Hold that tension for 10 seconds. Feel your neck and upper back muscles working. Now, gently release your shoulders. Let them drop down, feeling all the tension melt away. Allow your shoulders to completely relax again. Spend about 20 seconds just breathing and noticing the difference. Let's work on your face. Start by scrunching up your face, tightening all the muscles. Squeeze your eyes shut, wrinkle your nose, clench your jaw. Hold this for 10 seconds. Now, release. Let your face go completely soft and relax. Smooth out your forehead, unclench your jaw, and let your eyes relax. Feel the calmness spreading through your face. Spend 20 seconds enjoying this release. You can continue this process with other muscle groups while you roll your stomach, your legs, your feet. The key is to focus on the contrast between the tension and the relaxation. With practice, you'll become more aware of the tension you're holding in your body, and you'll be able to release it more easily. Make sure to subscribe for more techniques to relieve stress.